Alright, I'm now joined by Noel Hickey. He is the man behind the SafeShaft system, which you may have seen about in various media publications. Noel, can you tell us a little bit about your invention?
Okay, no problem. What we have here is we're doing away with the current PTO shaft on a storage tank at the moment here. Normally the PTO shaft is between the tractor and the vacuum pump, so what we've done is we've done away with it completely. We've gone hydraulically driven. The reason we're going hydraulically driven is obviously safety, which is one problem, but also maneuverability. You can swing around corners, you can turn at any angle, spread around corners, and fill also at any angle. So that's the main thing we have.
Okay, and when you're selling this product to people, what do they actually get?
What they get is this kit over here, that you can actually see over here. So that's the kit you get. What we need is a couple. When you come in contact with us, we need to ask you a couple of questions. What tractor you have? We specify the hydraulic motor to your tractor, not to the hydraulic pump. That's one of the questions we ask you. Also, obviously, what tractor you have, what tanker you have. And also, we generally ask for a picture of the vacuum pump, so we know which chassis you need to buy. So that's really the general questions that we need to know. And then obviously, what spec do they want? Do they want all the bells and whistles, or just two hoses, basic, or all whatever they want?
Okay, and what sort of hydraulic flow does this motor require?
Our motor all requires about 45 to 50 litres per minute for filling. After that, and then also for spreading, we need about 25 litres per minute.
Okay, so in theory, you could use this behind a telehandler, for example, as long as it's got enough oil flow.
We have it actually over in the UK at the moment on a telehandler. If you check our website, you'll see it. I think it's, I can't think of the name of the crowd at the moment. But we have them on teleporters. Recycling companies are buying them. The local county councils are buying them because they're all the small tractors. Yeah. The hydraulic system on the market at the moment needs a minimum, maybe not a minimum, maybe about 70 or 80 litres per minute to run the system. Ours requires only 45. So we can run ours on small tractors, teleporters, anything with a reasonable oil supply.
Okay, and as you mentioned before, you get increased maneuverability because you haven't got the PTO shaft in the way, which obviously means you'll be able to keep the pump running as you're going around corners.
Exactly, you can spread around the corners. If you check our webpage, you'll see all the drone footage of it spreading around corners. You'll see us doing our SafeShaft tests in the field. That's one, and also when you're filling the tank, you needn't be straight. You just back in, you can just abandon the tractor for all the world and spread away.
And the control in the valve, can that be remote, electric, manual?
Yeah, anything you want. We have, if you check our website, we have it. We have a full remote control kit if you want it. We have flow controls. This is the normal manual control valve here on the floor. You can see on the drawbar. When the tank is full, you knock that off. You go back, take off your pipe, obviously, get in the tractor, knock the tractor out to the working position, and then pull the lever in the opposite direction. It puts our manual valve back into the working position to save you getting out.
Okay, and what sort of price are we talking for a kit?
The standard kit is €18.50 plus the VAT, euros.
All right, Noel, thank you very much.